Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a rotating photo wheel effect in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Let's start with a blank presentation. The blank presentation canvas gives us enough space to work with animations and transition. Next step is go to the element tab, then click on frame. Let's go to the frames. And under the basic shapes, choose a rectangular or square frame. Let's use this one. Place one frame on your canvas, then duplicate it. Rearrange the frames in a circular pattern so they form a wheel shape, like this one. You can take your time adjusting the position and spacing so the frames look evenly placed in a circle. Now go to Photos, right here, and choose images that you want to use. Let's click on Recommendations, and let's choose a couple of photos here. Let's use this one, okay. Drag each photos into a frame until all frames are filled. Just like this. You can double click on each image to reposition inside the frame. At this point, your photo wheel layout should already be visible. Once your photo wheel is ready, duplicate the page. And select all the frames. And rotate the entire wheel like we go. Duplicate the page again. And rotate the frames a bit more in the same direction. Repeat this process several times to create the illusion of continuous rotation. Each page should show a small rotation compared to the previous one. There we go. After duplicating and rotating your page, click on the transitions between each pages right here. Choose Matching Move. Set the duration to your preferred speed. Then apply the transition to all pages. There we go. This will create the rotating photo wheel effect when the design is played or presented. Now click on Present so we can preview the rotating wheel. There we go. If the rotation feels too fast or too slow, adjust the transition timing again or add more duplicated pages for smoother motion. Once you're happy with the result, you can export it as a video or keep it as a presentation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.